Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you. Today I am going to review Redmi Note 11s. This is the mobile we are going to see and I am going to review. Right, the price of this mobile is 16,999. That is, you can say 17,001 rupees is the difference. Right now in this video we don't have a product, so since we have started a new channel, no one will give the product, right? But why you should watch the video? For paying this amount, 16,999 rupees, is it worth? You should really buy or not? We will know that in this video. Let's start. In this video, these are the topics we are going to cover. Let's see one by one what is there in these topics to be covered, I think. Right. First thing we will cover summary, just overview of the phone and performance of the mobile. For paying this money, you should have some performance, right? Yes, that's gonna be seen. And next is design. What is the design of the mobile and display specification, and what is the camera feature and battery capacity, storage capacity, what is the software used in this mobile, and what is the advantage and what is the disadvantage, that is why you should buy and why you should not buy, and finally, is it worth for the price? These are the topics we are going to cover quickly. Let's start. First, we'll see the summary of this mobile, a short intro like that. You can take that. The launch date of this mobile is February 21 and 2022. The processor you used in this mobile is MediaTek Helio G96. RAM 6GB and 8GB variant. Two variants are available in this mobile, and rear camera 108MP plus 8 plus 2 plus 2. It's a quad cam. Fine. Internal 128GB, both 6 and 8GB variant you can. In both the variant we have 128, and screen size 6.43 inches. Battery 5000 mAh battery used in this mobile. Let's see the performance of this mobile. Under performance we have processor used in this mobile. I have already told that MediaTek Helio G96. This processor is made for gaming. Actually, this processor is made for gaming purpose only. Right, it has a better performance in the gaming, and you can play PUBG without any lag, I can say, with this processor, not with the graphics. I think you cannot be you cannot play this PUBG in a high graphics in this mobile. It gets lag, slight lag will be there in the mobile, right, because of graphics. If you play in high settings of graphics, right, and the processor build and runs in ARM Cortex A76 clocked up to 2.05, quite standard, okay, I can say. And the refresh rate of this mobile is 90 Hz, and it is also standard. The highest is 120 Hz, and it is standard fine for 16,999. And in this mobile, okay, core is octa core, that is 8 cores are available in this mobile, and it is 8 cores, right? Mainly the purpose of the 8 octa core is for gaming, video editing, photo editing, Right, then architecture of this mobile is 64-bit. What is this 64-bit? It is nothing but it can access 2.64 memory addresses, that is it can handle anything more than 4 GB of RAM in simple words, right? Did you understand? And the graphics ARM Mali G57MC2, and compared to G95, it is the graphics is quite lower, I felt, and quite lower only. And if you play PUBG and eye settings, you'll get slight lag will be there, fine, I already told that. And RAM is a 6 GB and 8 GB variant is there. And RAM used in this mobile is LPDDR4. LPDDR4, it gives much better performance and power efficient, but it is not that efficient as LPDDR5, but for the cost it is worth it as a best performance. And if you go for design, is there any left? Nothing, right? Fine. Design, the height of the mobile is 6.29 inches and width 2.91 inches. Quite, you feel not much height and not much width. You'll the mobile will fit in your hand, fine. Thickness is 0.31. So for these factors, the weight of the mobile will be quite low, 179 grams. It will feel like, yeah, it is a lightweight, I can say. And water resistance it has, and dust resistance, and you have fingerprint, face unlock. These two features are common in these recent mobiles, I can say. And next point is display. The display used in this mobile is FHD plus AMOLED display, and I can say that the worth for paying 16,999, it is worth the best display available in this price, I can say that. And it has 1000 nits of brightness, it is immense, the brightest, I can say. And resolution of the display is 1080 into 2400 pixels. What do you mean by pixels? Pixels are, let me say, this is your mobile, there will be small boxes in your mobile, through that you can see the picture or images, whatever they are there is in your display, you can see that only if there is pixels. Pixels are like, if there is no pixel, your screen, mobile screen will be purely blank, it will be in a black manner, right? That is pixels. What is these numbers means? 1080 pixels, 1080 small boxes are there in horizontal, and 2400 small pixels are there in vertical format in your mobile display. That is the meaning of these two numbers. And what is the pixel per inch? It is 409 pixels per inch. That is, in 1 inch of your display, how many pixels are there? That is 409 pixels are there. It is much better, and it is standard one, I can say that. And next, it has Gorilla Glass V3 protection for not breaking your display, and screen to body ratio is 84.64 percentage, quite low but fine. And camera 108 MP, 108 MP. It can have a more clarity pictures and more clarity videos. And remaining these cameras, why they gave I don't know. 8 plus 2 plus 2, quite not satisfied, but 108 MP satisfied, but these three, why I don't know. Front camera is 16 MP, they could give 32, that might be quite better, but for the price, something should be compensated, right? Fine. Video resolution in this mobile is FHD. I can say 1920 into 1080 pixels at 30 fps, and also you can shoot 1280 into 720 pixels at 30 fps. And in front camera also same, rear camera also same. And battery, if you talk about battery type, is polymer. If they use Leon batteries, that could give a better performance, but polymer quite disadvantage, I can say. Capacity of this battery is 5000 mAh and it is 33 watts fast charging. It can charge your phone from 0 to 100% around 1 hour. Yeah, around 1 hour it can charge. And is this wireless? No, it's not wireless charging. Fine, this is also completed. The next point is storage. Storage is internal storage is 128 GB they are providing, and it is expandable up to 512 GB. It is more than sufficient, I think so. For me it is sufficient. 128 GB is sufficient, more than enough it is. And the software is Android 11. Nowadays 12 is available, they could use, but 11 is available in this phone. And user interface in this mobile is MIUI. Okay, that's the option they have. Connection is SIM 1, SIM 2, both are nano and both are 4G only. It is not 5G mobile, right? Advantage and disadvantage, if you talk about, the first advantage is its display. Rear camera, that is 108 MP only. Okay, and processor, the main plus point of this mobile is processor only. And disadvantage is polymer battery and front camera. The main disadvantage of each and every Redmi or Xiaomi or Mi phones are build quality. Slight low in these mobiles. With these specifications, with these good processor they are providing and good camera they are providing, why they are providing with the lowest price ever? Because their build quality is slight low, I can say that. And if you purchase this mobile, you should keep in mind that you are going to use this mobile for 2 to 3 years, not more than that. Fine, you can use more than that, but it depends on the use of the mobile. If you use only for calls and messages, yeah, it can extend up to 4.5, but not more than that. And if you use normal general users, video editing, gaming and all, it will be almost 2 to 3 years. That's it. After that it will start giving you pressure and tension stuff. Okay, you can understand that. The main disadvantage of these, this is the main disadvantage. Fine, is it worth on the price? Specification wise, it is 100% worth to pay this amount, but as a disadvantage, and if you are planning for just temporary mobile, you can aram se choose. And nowadays they are building, I'm not saying completely useless build quality, they are improving it. And for paying that, something should be sacrificed. that is build quality. Fine, with this we are ending the video. Let's see in the another video.